Hey everybody, thanks for tuning back into OTRAMM's YouTube channel for another episode of Tuesday's Tool. We missed last week's Tuesday's Tool because I was going to do this press and it took me longer than I thought it would to build. So we needed a bigger shop press and I wanted a 50-ton, and a 50-ton decent shop press is really expensive. So I got to looking at the parts and decided to build our own. So I've been working on this, here and there over the last week and a half. It's mostly half-inch plate. But yeah, I wanted a big enough press that we could eventually put a 4-foot press brake in it to start bending bumpers and sheet metal, things like that. Mostly I've got it just for pressing gears and bearings and radius arm bushings in Land Cruisers. But we built it. The bed's really heavy, and I had a Harbor Freight ATV winch laying around, so we ended up putting that in so that we can raise and lower the bed. It takes a little fiddling to get it lined up right, to get the pins out, but then come on. You can raise it up and down. And it makes it easier than me having to grab somebody else to help raise and lower it. And we just used inch solid bar pins. And then we've got just a 50-ton ram and an electric hydraulic pump. And then you just turn it on. And it's pretty slow, but slow is nice because it'll be controllable. And that's got a 6-inch stroke on it. And then we got some of these really beefy Swag off-road arbor plates, 1.5 inches thick, really nice quality, nice cutting, and they're ground flat on both sides. I'd pick them up, but they're really heavy, and I'm tired from moving this thing all around. Anyway, just thought I'd show you the new press we built. Hope you found it interesting, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Thanks.